So let's watch how we can actually open our doors whenever our door is locked and we have forgotten our keys in the car, or whenever there is something valuable that we have left in the car and we have also left the key in the car and we cannot open the door. What do we do in this situation? We are going to learn this technique. Yes, it's very important. Yes, it's very important. Everything that you will do on this earth, it has its positive and its negative. Yes, but sometimes if the positive outweighs the negative, even that, you have to learn how to do certain things. Yes, there are strategies of doing certain things. If you have left your key in the car, if your dog is in the car and you have locked the keys or you have locked the doors and you can't open the door, what do you do? How do you open the door? You have to break, you have to find something, some metal or some hammer or something to break the glass, the door glass, so that you spend another money. What do you do? So let's watch this video to learn how we can open the car door whenever the doors are locked and we cannot open, we don't have the key to open when there's something important in it. Let's go. See how they are struggling to see how they are struggling. Wow. Now let's look at this one too, whether she will struggle. Look at the technique. Let's learn from this. Pull it, pulling it, pulling it.
It worked.
Okay.
Unlock.
She has opened it.
Look, the car
first
door is
boo is
now
struggling.
open. Problem completely solved. How's that? Super
The first
easy,
boo is
right?
struggling.
Got it yet? Follow me. I've got
Wow.
1,000 more car tips on my page.
Wow. You see? So it's you have to learn it. I remember I did a video or I did it. I remember I did a content. I remember I did a content on something like this. But you have to learn. You have to learn because when it becomes critical, you have to do it so that you will be able to drive your car or be able to take whatever is in the car. Look at the first video or the first scene. You could see that the people have left they have left their dog in the car. Meanwhile, the door is locked, the glasses are rolled up, and the dog could die. The dog could die. The dog could suffocate and then die. So what do you do? How do you remove the door? How do you open the door for the dog? How do you make sure the dog doesn't die? What do you do? By using this technique, they were struggling, they were trying to do something, they were trying it, but they were not doing the right thing, they were not using the right technique, they were not using the right strategy. But the second video taught us how we can use this strategy, this technique to open the door. You see, by making sure that we use the sellotape and then we pull it down and our door is open so that whatever you left in the car, you can easily take it. It's very, very good. It's very, very important to know this. It's very, very good.